Good morning, Eastview. Hope you guys are doing well. Uh, so far, so good on the edits. Having great questions from people. I can tell you guys are doing good work. We have two left. Our face swap and our head swap are the two we're going to do today and tomorrow, and then we'll make our Flipgrid tomorrow as well. I did get a couple people who were having trouble getting images, so I've added this option as well. It's there's a link today. This is the Creative Commons. It's just an extension. You just add this. Search in here. It takes care of all copyright issues, and you'll be able to find cool images, and they'll work, and it'll just cut out some issues. So that's one thing for today. Second thing is we're just taking a look at, there's videos today. So the face swap one is here. The head swap is here. Here's your link to get that Creative Commons extension on your Chrome browser, which I recommend. And that's it. You're going to be back in Pixlr, so you should already have your eyes done. You should have made some type of banner, and then you're going to make a face swap, and then you're going to make a head swap. Those are the four that you are going to present in your Flipgrid tomorrow, which is your big thing. Now, if you need extra time on the head swap, I built it into tomorrow's class as well. You'll notice item 3 says head swap. You can finish that up, and then you'll make your Flipgrid of your 4 edits. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. Remember, you get stuck, do a specific search. Like if you're struggling with the lasso tool, search Pixlr lasso tool on YouTube, and that'll solve the problem. So good luck today, enjoy, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.